Let me show you how to save Canva as a PDF on a mobile phone. The first thing you'll do is open the Canva app. And once the Canva app is open, you'll notice that I have a PDF here. So what you'll do to save it is you'll go to the upper right-hand corner and you're going to see a half square with an arrow pointing up. You'll tap on that, and once you do that, you can then go to the item that says download. Tap on download, and then you'll be given the option to determine how you want to save it or what file type. So you'll see that there are a number of different file types. I'm going to select PDF standard, and that's simply because this is going to be shared as an electronic document. If you wanted to print it for a higher quality, then you could select PDF print. So tap on PDF standard, and then you'll need to determine which pages you'll want to save. So if you want to select all of them, you can just tap the button that says maximum limit and it will select everything there. If you decide you only want to save a few of the pages, then untap that and then just tap on the items or pages that you want to save. Once you do that, click on Done, and then what you'll do is simply click on Download. Once you click on download, you'll see that the Canva app is going to prepare and go through the process of downloading it. Now, depending on your internet connection, it will take just a few moments to complete. Once it finishes downloading, then what you can do, locate on your phone where it has saved the file. So for me, it's going to save it in the downloads section of my phone, but it's going to be under the Canva folder. So if I click on downloads, you'll see the Canva PDF tutorial is there. If I scroll through it, you can see all of the pages that I selected are there. And that's how you save Canva as a PDF on a phone. If you're interested in learning how to do more with Canva on your mobile phone, you'll want to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.